Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here. Molives TV. Another day, another adventure, guys. We are in Canada. Let's go, Toronto, the 6th. You guys remember a couple weeks ago when I did a giveaway, and I was like, everybody needs to post on their Instagram story that they're watching my videos. I picked the winner with my parents. We got the winner. It is Craig Conroy, 22. Hey, Craig! Congratulations, Craig. Craig Conroy won. I have to fly 1,000 miles. I came all the way from Tampa, Florida, and I am here with none other than the winner himself, Craig. Guys, so Craig literally picked me up from the airport last night. Check this out. Let's go. What up, baby?
What's up, buddy?
What's good, bro? What is good? Hey, welcome to Toronto, eh? And not only that, shout out to Scott, Laura, Evan, and Boomer, because when I got to their place, this is what was waiting for me. Welcome, Molives. And a gift, guys. You don't have to get me anything. I'm just a guy.
Read the card.
Oh my goodness. Welcome to our home. We got a few things to help you survive a Canadian winter. You guys are awesome. I love it. I love it. So guys, Craig has no idea what we're doing today.
No idea, bro.
We're gonna be trading this paperclip and see what the craziest thing is we can get here in Toronto. Someone traded a paperclip for a house one time, so we're gonna see the coolest thing that we can get. Guys, this is my first time in Canada. We're gonna try some of the poutine, yeah, I don't know, and we're gonna have an adventure. Are you ready, my man?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Alrighty, guys. You can't tell Craig this, but I booked a helicopter tour for 2 people to see the city of Toronto from the sky. So Craig has absolutely no idea. So we're gonna go to all these, businesses and try and trade this paperclip and everything, and then we're gonna end up all the way up. Cause we're in the 6th. We gotta get views from the 6th, baby. Alright, it's freezing out here. We gotta go inside. Woo, baby, all right, that's a lot better inside. Guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Chad with the J, aka Jad. I'll leave the video on top of the description. He did this, he traded a paperclip literally for a puppy in the mall, and I'm like, bro, what? It's not gonna be just me too. You're getting in here, bro. You're getting in here. We gotta get everybody involved here. So, Indigo Bookstore, let's see what we got. Hey, what's up, bro? I was wondering if you could help us out. We're doing this funny video, I don't know, where we're trying to trade a paperclip. I don't know if you've seen them before. You can trade a paperclip, and if you guys have anything you're not gonna sell or anything, you could just trade a papercip.
To ask anybody on cash, we have a bunch of stuff that we have to put back.
Yeah.
If they have just 3 items that are damaged, they could probably do it.
Yeah.
All right. Best bet.
Hey, actually, I have a question. We're filming a funny video. I don't know. It's a crazy request. We're trying to trade a paperclip with anything you guys might have if it's damaged or something. If you guys just have anything you're not gonna sell or anything, just something broken, I don't know. If you had anything.
I can't really give stuff away.
Took a first L. Yo, Craigie, I think you're up, big dog. There's a paperclip. Ooh. Dude, Sephora? Some potions? Potions and lotions?
Make my skin look good?
Yeah, make your skin. Dry out here in Canada, bro,
So we have a paperclip, and I was wondering if you had anything that was damaged or you couldn't sell and you wanted to trade with this.
Anything we damage out, it goes back.
Yeah, alright. Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
Ooh, how does it feel to get rejected, man?
Oh, that was heartbreaking.
But don't you feel kind of good? You're like, oh shit, whatever, it's all good,
It's alright.
I mean, if I had a nickel for every time a chick rejected me, I would have all of this money. Oh my goodness. Hey, Monopoly Molives. Alright, take 3. GNC's the move. Wait, hey, bro. The washrooms. The washrooms. What? It's not a washroom, bros. I don't wash my hands. Alright, nah, I do wash my hands. Little GNC. Yeah, can we swing it?
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. We're wondering if you have anything damaged or you can't sell, and we're trying to trade something for a paperclip.
Okay.
We're trading a paperclip for anything that people can help trade us.
Samples, I guess?
Yeah, whatever you got, I don't know. Omega 3 soft chews, okay.
And vitamin D3.
Oh, vitamin D and some soft chews.
We're all trying to be healthy around here.
Alright.
GNC.
She's got the paperclip.
Oh no, you don't get the bag, you just get the
Oh, we don't get the bag. You don't get the bag, man. Yo. I don't
One
know.
of those.
She gave us the paperclip back. Let's go. All right, so we got the paperclip, and we got
And
some
vitamin D,
some vitamins.
C,
Right? We
like-
got some supplements. Okay, okay.
Oh, we're cooking
Hey,
now.
we're cooking. We're cooking. We eating. All right. Bro, you want to try this like mini mart thing right here, this drugstore? Hey, how's it going? Wow, I have a kind of funny request for you. We're doing a video where we're trying to see if we can trade this paperclip for like anything. You know?
I don't really have anything.
No. A gift card? Yeah, yeah. Whatever you. Yeah, if you got that.
Yeah. There you go.
Wow, wow. There's $100 on this? Yo, $100? $100 gift card? Yo, nice. We'll take it. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Should I get the paperclip?
Yeah. You definitely get the paperclip. There you go. Wow.
Back-to-back dubs.
Yo, back-to-back dubs. $100 gift card. Actually, no. We'll say we should say 10. That's actually believable.
Yeah.
All right. So we got a $10 gift card to Shoppers Drug Mart. We'll take it. See what else we got. Scoping out the body shop. All right.
Trade stuff with other people. So we have a $10 shoppers card, and I was wondering if you guys had anything here like damaged or you can't sell that we can trade with.
Yeah. Hey.
I'd like to say yes, but I can't.
Okay. No problem.
But when I can, I do. But yeah.
Yeah. No,
You have anything
problem.
to trade? It's okay.
Okay. Sorry, gentlemen.
That's okay.
No,
But
it's-
hey, good luck and have fun.
Thank you. It's all good.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
She was so nice.
Yeah, she was nice. That was cool. All right, so we've got a $10 Shoppers Mart in the GNC. We're gonna go to Mac. I don't know. West, we try to trade paper clips for something like bigger. So we got a $10 gift card to Shoppers Drug Mart. A sponge?
I want a sponge.
A sponge? Yo. Hey. Okay. All right, you wanna trade, or are you just giving this? Yeah. Yeah. Is that what it's called?
We don't use them too often.
I mean,
I don't know what it is.
I don't know if someone's gonna want it, but
Charlotte, much thanks. Added to it, and we'll see what else we can get.
Yeah.
Thank you, Charlotte.
Have a good day.
Let's go. We got some Q-tips and some sponges, bro. Let's go. Claire's? Oh, send it. We gotta send it, bro.
What do we got?
Yeah, we got.
We're doing like this funny video where we trade stuff with other people.
okay.
So we were wondering if you have any like damaged stuff or stuff you can't
We
sell.
started with a paperclip, and this is what we got. We already got.
So
we
we're
got
upgraded.
$10 gift card. We got. Is Leah gonna come through? She's gonna come through. Yo, Leah, yes.
Like a squishy. So
What? Nice.
What
Awesome.
trade for?
Yeah.
So we
I mean,
some
we got
just keep it if you
we can just.
You can just have it.
What? Yo, Leah, yes, we love you. Oh my gosh, let's go. Thank you so much, Leah. You're the best. You're the best. Let's go. Bro, let me see it. What is this? Like
I
a
don't
little
even know.
mini donut squishy, like. Bro, look at this collection.
Look at that.
Yo. We gotta fuel the tank. Quick little, most iconic of all places here in Canada, Tim Hortons, bro. Timmy H. We gotta do it. Should I just get like a coffee, or we got a steak sandwich?
Yeah, like whatever you want.
So it's not just breakfast.
No. Oh, no, man, it's full service here.
Full service.
I think like a coffee and a donut.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you got, bro? What do you got?
A
Little
nice little Boston green.
little donut action? Bro, what was this? It's like a vanilla chai soy latte something? What is this?
No, it's a steep tea.
Steeped tea?
Steeped tea.
What's steeped about it?
It's just magic, man.
It's magic?
It's not
Is
a
that
tonic
like the name,
bag tea.
is that the name of a company? Steeped? Or is that?
It's the way they make it. It's already made, and it comes in a coffee pot. So it's like,
It's already made?
yeah.
No bags. Just dumb American, obviously. Oh, we'll check it out. Timmy H.
Hot.
Alright, Timmy H.
Okay.
I see you. I see you, Timmy H. I like it. Alright, so we're looking for the chocolate store, right? Ah, I just burned myself. This is what you use for the map. This will give you directions. Specialty food. Lint. Boom. Yo, and it gives you directions. American, step your game up, bro.
Second floor.
Second floor. Wow. That is amazing. Revolutionary. Yo, they got MapQuest in the mall. What? Not bad, eh? We're gonna go into Lint Chocolate, see what we can get. I don't know. Hey, what's up, man? We're doing this little funny request we have. So we started with a paperclip, We've been going around and trying to like trade.
All we really do is sample.
Yeah?
Free shop.
Yeah, it's like a
So it's not really trading, you just have it.
Oh, you just have it? Oh, nice. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
We'll take that. All right, couple chocolates. Thanks a lot, man.
Have a good day.
Nice. Woo, baby, we got the chocolates and they gave us a bag. So now like we look official. We got the gift card, we got the chocolate bag, we got the chocolates. Like I feel like we have a lot to give now, you know what I'm saying?
A lot to give.
So I'm trying to vlog, yeah. I feel like, bro, we have to like step it up a notch. We gotta go big.
Or go home.
Exactly. And I ain't going home, baby. I ain't going home. All right, we're gonna have to take a little ride for this one. Hey, can we get in there? Yeah, dope, dope, dope. All right. We gotta catch a cab. How's it going, man?
Good.
We're going to Billy Bishop Airport.
Okay.
Huh?
What's going on there?
Bro, we gotta up the ante, man. We gotta see what's good. We gotta see what else we can get. Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
You too.
Let's see if I the bathroom.
Alrighty, baby. We made it. Let's go, man. Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta run. I know, you know, you're like, bro, if we're trading something, like, why are we on a time crunch? Just don't worry about it. Ava, I had a request. So we were actually, you know, we started with the paperclip today. We ended up getting all of this today. We got a $10 gift card. We got a sponge. We got a donut, chocolates. And we were wondering if we could trade that for a helicopter tour around Toronto. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. How you feeling, my man?
I'm excited. Oh my god.
Have you ever been in a helicopter?
Nope, never.
Never been in a helicopter.
First time.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Guys, we'll teleport to the helicopter in 3, 2, 1. First helicopter ride.
What an experience.
That's what I'm talking about. Guys, this looks like a pretty decent view to end out the video. Craig, anything you want to say to 10 million people out there, bro?
When this man says he's doing a giveaway, he does a giveaway.
Doing a giveaway, guys. I don't know. There was only 20 of you guys that entered, so you had literally a 1 in 20 chance. So next time, at 30,000 subscribers, we're gonna do another one, bro. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, smash a like on this video, guys, and that is it. I'm gonna be exploring Canada for the next few days. I'm going to Ottawa tomorrow, so stay tuned for those videos, guys. And as always, you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.